Respected subject experts, delegates, a very good morning. We are from Government Degree College, Bodhan, and we are here to present you the innovative Jignasa study project in physics. And the title here is The Effects of Wavelength of Light on Solar Cell with Filters. Regarding the introduction of it is the growing need for energy in the whole world has caused increasing global warming and air pollution dramatically, in addition to the depletion of fossil fuels for power generation. The clean solar energy use and available in most parts of the world has considered as the optimal solution to the problem caused by excessive burning of fossil fuels for power generation. When the solar energy is incident on the solar panel, it will be converted into electricity, so that some amount of electricity will be wasted. To avoid that wastage, we have used some different color filters to produce excess electricity. Regarding these filters, the effects of wavelength and frequency of incident radiation is the main concept of our project.
Regarding this main topic is aims and objectives. The first objective is it is used to convert a light source into the electrical energy. The second objective is the save resources such as coal, oil and natural gas. The third objective is to determine the spectral irradiance. The next objective is the solar cells are used to power farm to provide electricity to large area by solar panels. And the next objective is the advanced color filters are used to determine axis of solar energy. And the next objective is the analysis of frequency due to intensity of incident radiation. And the next objective is the effect of wavelength due to incident intensity of solar energy. The uses of solar energy: the heat for the making hot water and heating the buildings and cooking, and then it is used to street lights, and then it is used to mobile charging, and it is used to heat engine, and then it is used to plants and process of photosynthesis. The methodology: the experimental method is used to measurement of energy generated from the sun per every second. The energy used from the sun travels to the radiation. It is used to distribute on the solar panels different wavelengths lambda. Then next continue my friend.
Regarding this topic, these materials and equipments are collected. They are 5.5 solar panel, 6.5 electrical motor, 3.7 volts battery cell for storage and electrical power, soldering gun, soldering wire, soldering paste, different color filter, transparent films and connecting wires. These materials are equipments and purchased from electronics and electrical shops.
In this project, we have drawn the circuit diagram. First of all, we connected positive terminal of solar panel is connected to negative terminal of electric motor through positive terminal of battery cell, and negative terminal of solar panel is connected to negative terminal of key through negative terminal of battery cell, and positive terminal of key is connected to positive terminal of electric motor. On this basis, we have designed the model of our project by soldering these equipments, and the next process will continue by my friend.
This is the solar energy model. When this model is kept under the sunlight, when the sunlight incident on the solar panel, it will be converted into electrical energy, and that electrical energy will be stored in the battery. When we switch on the plug key K, the motor will be rotated. Through that, we have counted the number of rotations per time period, and we have obtained frequency and wavelength. First, we have done experiment without filters. Without filters, we have obtained frequency and wavelength. Then we used different color filters like blue, green, yellow and red. Then we have obtained frequency and wavelength. These are the wavelengths of colored filters which produces excess electricity. These will be added to the wavelength which will be produces without using filters, so that we can produce excess electricity by using different filters. Here blue will be produces excess electricity.
Regarding to this topic, some important advantages are there. First advantage is eco-friendly, and second advantage is transformation of energy, and third advantage is renewable energy. Fourth advantage is install anywhere, and fifth advantage is creating jobs. Next topic is continuing friends.
And finally, we have came into conclusion that when solar energy falls on the solar panel, 50% produces electricity and 50% is losses. To avoid that wastage, we have used different color filters, and so that we can produce excess electricity, and it will be added to the initial electricity, so that it increases This is the main concept of our project work. Thank you.